Silver Streak was released in early December of 1976. Gene Wilder, Jill Clayburgh, and Richard Pryor starred in what some people describe as a romance-filled, action-packed comedy blockbuster. It didn't win any Academy Awards, but it's still fun to watch. A while ago, I made a set of custom decals for a 1/43rd scale box truck, decorated for the fictional rail line used in the film. And then just a few weeks ago, I picked up a police car in the same scale. Just like the truck, this old Dodge is perfect for use with inkjet decals, mainly because they're both white with large flat areas for new graphics. The model is supposed to be either a Dodge or Plymouth police cruiser from 1968. This fits perfectly in the timeline for Silverstreak, which takes place in our country's bicentennial year. In 1976, everything was painted or redecorated in red, white, and blue for America's special birthday. The last act of Silverstreak is set in Illinois, and the authorities stop the train at Harris Mill Junction in order to apprehend the bad guys. In these scenes, you can see many Illinois State Police cars. In the movie, they used Chevrolet Impalas, but my older Dodge or Plymouth could also fill the same role. I took some measurements and made a little sketch before heading to my MacBook where I used Pages to design the decals. Once the state police emblem was assembled, the rest of the graphics are pretty much just straight lines and text. After printing onto the special decal paper, I sealed them with a glossy clear coat spray. A few hours later, I can cut them and apply to the car pretty much like any other decal. To differentiate this cruiser from a common everyday patrol car, I added lettering to show that it's assigned to Special Rail Yard Duty. This particular unit is assigned to the Harris Mill Junction Division, which, it just so happens, is the location for the big shootout towards the movie's climax. The stripes on the sides are left a little long, and I'll trim them later after they're just a bit drier. The front and end of the car, as well as the wheel wells, will be easier to deal with when the decals are not so soft. So, at the end of the movie, you have police cars and helicopters chasing after the speeding train as it rushes headlong into downtown Chicago. I've got the locomotives, a passenger car. I recently added a Jaguar to my Silverstreak collection, and now I have an Illinois State Police car rounding out the lineup. It might be nice to recreate a scene from the movie since I have so many of the main characters, but right now, my layout is going with a Disney theme. But I can see maybe changing the lower level someday into something related to Silverstreak. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, And until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.